ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Jingker Sainar Shiah ya Khappup Jingker India bat Bangladesh ki benta ba Khappup Jingker Jela Meghalaya kalanang ya chat kenang ban pensuk ya ki Shipai Border Security Force ban tem ya ki kam runar ruser Jingker Reushim Kabu ki baju melin ban le ya ki kam pentrain. Deputy Inspector General Jingker Tanat Shipai Border Security Force Meghalaya Frontier Parvin Bakshi Jingker keren bat kilat patai khubor aga arpuar tarik benai kela lingkot arajar arpuar ula penpa baga Jingker Sainar Shiah Khappup ke Jela Meghalaya batkari Bangladesh ka bajrong hadu sauspa 10 kilometer lala Pyndep hadu nyopusan persen bat ka badang sa menta kalong satang arpusan persen kata satang 10 kilometer naga Khappup ka bajrong hadu sauspa 10 kilometer hapeding ke Jela Meghalaya batkari Bangladesh.
Actually, as international norms are concerned, so no construction work or defense work can be undertaken within 150 yards from international border. Neither we can take nor they can take on their side. So following those norms, the fence is erected at 150 yards. So there are places all over along the Bangladesh border where people are residing within the 150 yards. So normally in those areas, we have two options. Either we can resettle them beyond 150 yards, or with the concurrence of Bangladesh, we can erect fence within 150 yards. So those cases have been taken with the Bangladesh. If we got concurrence from there, then we can do the fencing ahead of that village. Border fencing, 75% of the border is already fenced, and at many places it is going on, and at few places where the land acquisition process is on, and hopefully in the end of 22, by end of this year, it would be subject to the land. So we are hoping that at the end of this year, we'll be able to complete around 90% of the fence, and if land is available, only the whole fence. So it's around 53 kilometers. Fencing, wherever it has been approved, there has been continuing. And where the land is available, state has given the land, the work has been already allotted, the work is going on.
Shosho uliatho bah Khappup Jingker Jela Meghalaya ki don hadu lai pu pratli ki snong ki badan hajan mauput bat kari Bangladesh bat nagini ki lai pu pratli ki snong nreutli ki dai ki baladet ban ker Sainar Shiah kawai ka badang sedang ban ker bat sakhat artli ki snong ki dai ki badang hap ban yo jingbit lang na ki Shipai Border Guard of Bangladesh bat khat khandai tli pat ki dai ki badang don kam ban yo jaka na ki try khando.
Total 38 villages as per our report, which are ahead of, within the 150.
Within 150.
Zero line, dot on the zero line, there could be.
It's within 150 years.
These 38 villages are within 150 yards. So there could be few which are just touching the border. So that is what I told you, that cases are pending with the Bangladesh government, and we are waiting for the concurrence. So once concurrence is received, then it is realigned, the fence will be realigned and the fence will be erected as per the concurrence.